What's up, tallywhackers? Well, I've been struggling for the past, I don't know, 9 days. I keep saying that, but literally been out on the water. This is my 8th day out of the last 9 days. I took a break yesterday because I had to do some work on my boat, but anyway, coming out to a familiar spot. I was not fishing this spot constantly, though. I was fishing some other spots. I don't know. I took the boat out to the river, Des Moines River. Went quite a ways. Put in at Vandalia and went all the way up to 14th Street. And nothing. No bites, no nothing. And then seen some interesting things, but that was about it. Went out with my dad. Didn't catch anything. The day before that, I caught some tiny channel cat. And then a couple days ago, went out, took the kayak out to the local lake. It was stupid windy, but I did end up catching four small crappie on a brush pile. Had a pretty decent time. Got to the boat ramp and talked with one of my subscribers, Hawkeye Wrangler. I never got his real name though. That's just his YouTube name, handle, or whatever they want to call it. It's Thursday today. I'm going to try this spot. It's really nice outside. I'm in a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm thinking the water is warmed up to where the channel cat, the fish, has kind of gotten out of their wintering holes. But I don't know. I do know this is a wintering hole. And we're going to try. I'm going to just try the seam and throw some baits out there. It is extremely windy today, so I don't know how well this dead cat works. We're going to find out. Anyway, let's get some rod holders on the ground and start fishing. Oops. About lost my lid. Yeah, I was gonna say, I just washed my hand off in that water and boy has it warmed up. Man, I hope today's good. Hope it works out. It's just extremely windy though. And I mean crazy freaking windy. Getting bit right away. I don't think it's big. Looks small so far. That's kind of weird. Got hit right away though. I mean, that's a decent sign, but it wasn't anything big either, so I don't know how to take that. Can't be that good of a sign if it didn't fold my pole over. Well, we're gonna find out. Leave it there again. I need to cut some shad up, get some shad out, and I'm also going to throw some corn in the really calm spot where I normally see carp jumping. 'Cause I would take a carp at this point. Carp like to fight really hard, and I do appreciate a good fight. Come on, fish. Let's catch one today. That'd be great. Well, let's get some corn out on my other rod here. It's worth a shot. Last year's frozen canned corn. See how many kernels we can put on this hook. Probably a buttload. Chum it. There goes that little fish again, wallering up on that night crawler. All right, let's see if old Carp Bud wants to come play or not. Probably not, but we're gonna find out. Hopefully it don't knock over my tripod. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but we're gonna find out. See what's left of my worm. Probably nothing. Yeah, it's completely gone. Figured it was. Looks like we're going half worms. We're gonna have to do halfsies. Maybe we'll catch a fish today. Maybe. Oh, that's a pretty tiny worm. I guess we're gonna use the last whole one, because this worm is absolutely dinky. I should start getting out at night. The sun goes down and start collecting some worms, because they're out. They've been out for a while. It's always nice to get your own worms. $4 a dozen or whatever. If you're lucky, it's $4 for an 18. It just adds up. It just adds up. Got one. It's kind of waiting for that pole to just fold over. It's got to be a channel. Yeah, he ain't very big, but there's a fish. It's kind of nice. It's a feisty feller. He's a feisty feller. Definitely a fish. He's a fat dude too. My gosh, just pop out of there. Help him out. Ain't nothing big, nothing special, but he sure is fat. This feller has been eating. He's been eating a lot. And he's warm. That's crazy how warm this guy is. But let's get him back and hopefully we catch another one here pretty soon. That'd be awesome. All right, bud. Well, whatever way you want to go, it's fine. Yeah, this water is really warmed up. That's a good thing. Give it another 5 or 10 minutes. Whoa, that's not what I wanted to happen. I know I got a funny setup. I don't remember where I was fishing, but I was fishing somewhere and I had a really hard time sticking. I think it was out at the lake. So I put like weight on a jig head. I don't know, it's dumb. Going back to the basics, as they say. Well, caught a fish. Sweet. Oh, that was a decent bite on that one. I don't know, I'm getting a bite on both of them now. If I got a bite on the corn, that'd be something else. Probably just pecking the guts out of this dude. Well, I don't know. We're gonna have to wait for him to take it, I suppose. Shit. Yikes. That was kind of exciting. I've got something large. Hit that corn. Oh boy. What do we got? Big old carp. Oh, I was waiting for something like that. I'm gonna get out of there. Get out of the snaggy stuff. Dude. I was not paying attention at all. Yikes. I don't really know what to do with this camera. Knocked the whole dang thing over. All right, we'll put it right there. Oh, that was nice. Holy cow, he's pretty big too. Oh man, I was saying I would take a freaking carp all day long. Come on, bud. That is a carp too, that's not a buffalo. Holy smokes. That got like real violent real quick. Don't stop it. Knock it off. Let me see if I can get this guy out. They're so hard to grab. They're problematic in that sense. Come on, bud. Really hard to grab. Holy cow. He's not bad at all. He's a feisty feller. I don't know, I'll take him. It's a decent fish right there. Sweet. Biggest fish of the year. I think it's a common carp. I'd assume that's a common carp. Sweet. All right. Let's go let this dude go and throw some corn back out there. That was exciting. He about took my dang pole. Really close to taking my pole. All right, bud. Get out of here. Bye. Haven't been here that long, and that's two decent fish. I don't know. Man, that seriously about took my camera. About took my pole. If he would have pulled any freaking harder, well, that could have been an expensive mistake, but it wasn't. Cool. Let's load back up on some corn and cast it back out there. Time to change some baits. I bet you this one's gone. It is. And it's full of catfish slime. I should have cleaned that off the first time. Let's change this one first. I guess we're doing another whole worm since this guy's a little dude again. Let's get him out there. Wash our hands. And move on to the next. All right, let's move on to this one. That don't look the best. It's picked apart pretty freaking good. And I'd say that's from small fish. Sure looked like small fish anyway. Let's get another chunk. All right, all the baits are good. Let's go sit down. Give her 10 or 15, maybe 20 minutes. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got? Is he on there? I think he's on there. Yep. That little bit of weird hookness. Oh, he's just a baby though. He's so tiny. He did hook himself though. I thought he might if I hooked it like that. Oh God, he's so small. Got him hooked good though. Holy cow. He wasn't going anywhere. That bait's still decent. I don't know. Yeah. Those little tiny dudes, man, they get you. They get you good. Let's try again. Well, unfortunately, things just kind of quit. It's been 10 minutes since I haven't had a bite, or since I've had a bite. It's a weird way of wording things in the English language, but anyway, I think I'm gonna pack up and go home. It'd be the smart thing to do, but it's just been. I can get a hint, okay? It's time to go. I get it. All right. Sun's down anyway, so I guess until next time, thanks for watching Tally Go.